Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum respected parents and my dear students. Welcome to our show and tell week 3 lesson number 2. But before starting our lecture, teacher will go for a revision session in which teacher will show these pictures to the students and ask them what they learn, what they memorize in their previous lecture. For example, first of all, she will ask them who is this character, what is his name, and hopefully students will reply his name is Benny. Then teacher will ask who is she. Hopefully students will reply she is Fifi, and after it she will ask who is she. Hopefully students will reply she is Prickly. She is Prickly, she is Fifi, and he is Benny. After this she will ask them Fifi is sitting on a what it is. Some of the students will reply it's a rock, but some maybe forgot, so that's why this revision session has been conduct. Students will revise the name of this thing. It's a rock, and Fifi the red fox is on the rock, and Prickly the hedgehog is on the log. It's a log and it's a rock. After this she will show this picture to the students and ask them what they learn in that lesson, what they learned in that lesson. Some of the students will reply, some may don't. Then teacher will repeat the lecture. Teacher will repeat the two courtesy words. First one is please and the second one is thank you, and she will told them again that if you want to ask something from anyone, if you want any favor or if you want anything from someone else, what you will say, how you will ask them to give that thing to you. Please, you will use please word. It's a good manner, it's a courtesy word. By saying please you can ask that thing from him or her. And when that person give that thing to you, what you will reply, how you will say, what you will say, you will say thank you. You will say thank you. You have to say thanks to him or her. Okay. After this repetition, after this revision, teacher will start her today's lecture, which will be on page number 17, show and tell student book, page number 17. This is our show and tell student book, page number 17. Before starting this lecture, teacher will play an audio, and students will hear that audio. So I'm going to play this audio too, so that you will understand what we find on this page, what we are going to learn on this page, what is our today's topic. So let's hear the audio. Okay, teacher will play this audio 2 to 3 times, and students will sing the song with her. After this, teacher will show them that our today's topic is, what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is I see a. We will make sentences. We will use multiple vocabulary words with this sentence I see a. By using I see a, and we will put any vocabulary words, many vocabulary words after it. I see a. Okay. For example, teacher will show them this video, and students will do practice of saying I see a sentence by using looking on different things. So let's take a look. Our today's topic is I see. Our today's topic is I see. I see a mouse. I see a house. I see a mouse. And I see a rock. It is a rock. And I see a rock. Oh, what it is? It's an ant. I see an ant. I see an ant. Oh wow, beautiful. It's a flower. I see a flower. Oh, I see a butterfly. I see a butterfly. Oh wow, it's a bee. I see a bee. Ooh, what it is? It's a tree. I see a tree. I see a tree. Oh my God, what it is? Oh, I see a cat. Oh, run. Okay, after this video, teacher will show this video 2 to 3 times to the students, so that students will learn the sentence I see and enjoy this video too. After this practice, teacher will show this picture to students and ask them what they see in this picture. There are many things. There is a girl, there is a boy, there are paint, there are crayons, there are papers. So students will reply according to their view, what they see in this picture, what they see first in this picture. But some of them do not reply what are these purple things lying on the floor, what these things are. Other things students learn in their previous lecture, but this thing they did not learn in their previous lecture. So teacher will show this picture to students and ask them to make a sentence by using I see a with these items, with these classroom items, or with these painting items. Okay. First of all, first sentence teacher will make by using I see a. For example, teacher will say, I see a brush. I see a brush. And what are these? Students will not reply because they didn't learn what are these, what is their name. So teacher will told them that these are feathers. These are feathers. So what you will say, students, she will told them to say I see feathers. I see feathers. I see feathers. And what are these? Papers. These are papers. So she will told them to say I see papers. I see papers. I see papers. After it, she will ask them what it is. Students learn the name of this classroom item or painting item in their previous lecture, so they will definitely reply these are paint. And students will ask them to make sentence by using I see a. Then students will, hopefully 60 or 70% students will reply I see paint. I see paint, or I see a paint, but it's not a single paint, there are some paint colors. I see paint. And what are these? These are crayons. These are crayons. And teacher will ask students to use I see sentence by using crayons. With the crayons, then students will reply I see crayons. I see crayons. After it, teacher will show them this picture. It is a glue. It's a glue stick, and teacher will ask them to use I see sentence with it. I see sentence with it. After it, students will reply I see a glue. I see a glue. After practicing all of these vocabulary words by using I see a sentence 3 to 4 times, I hope students will memorize the sentence. After this practice, teacher will recap the lecture. Our today's topic was use of I see. And what is their homework? Teacher will ask the students to look around you and make small sentences by using I see. Whatever you see in your room, you see outside your bedroom, outside your school, outside your house. Identify the name of different things and use I see sentence with it before it. Okay. And what is their written homework? Their written homework is show and tell activity book page number 15. Students will do their written homework on student book page number, activity book page number 15. After this, our today's lecture has finished. We will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, students and parents, take care. Allah Hafiz.